Okay, so this quick tip video is all about how you can create a file that everybody in that team can collaborate and work together on. Okay, so here I'm in Teams and I'm in this particular channel here. Let's say topic 1 cells, and let's say they've done an experiment and I want to create an Excel sheet that they can all put their results in so they can share results as a class. So I'm going to go to the Files tab and I'm actually going to create a brand new Excel file directly within here. Okay, so any file I put in here is going to be completely shared and collaborative by the whole class. It's the same in the general channel. If I go to files there, but there is this class materials folder. That is the only one that is actually read only. So if I create a file here, not in that folder or in any of the other channels, they will be collaborative files. So here we go, I'm back in the files section for cells. I'm going to do new, I'm going to do Excel workbook. Okay, give it a name. Alright, and here I am in Excel, and I can put some column headings in here. Okay, so I've made a little sheet. I don't need to click save anywhere. It's saving automatically. I can click close on it. There it is there. If I go back to the channel, I can then post about it and alert the set to it. So in a new conversation, I'm going to click the attach button and I can do browse teams and channels, and here it is. Okay, created just now. Share a link to there and say enter your results here. Okay, they're all going to get a notification about that. Let's have a look at the students view. Okay, here it is, and they can click on it and they can edit it, and in fact everybody in the set can open that and edit that at the same time. Okay, and if I look back now at the teacher view, I will be able to see those results. There they are, and I can also see that student test 4 is logged in and what they're up to. Okay, so I can see all the students that are in that workbook and contributing to that at that time. So you could do this with a Word document, collect quotes from a text. You could do this with a PowerPoint and create a different slide for each member of the class to add some revision notes to, or on a particular section of the course, so they can work collaboratively, and that file can just live there within the team.